A is for alligator, snapping with a grin. B is for bear, with a furry big chin. C is for cat, who purrs in the sun. D is for dog, who loves to run. E is for elephant, big and gray. F is for fox, who plays all day. G is for giraffe, so tall and neat. H is for hippo, splashing its feet. I is for iguana, green and small. J is for jaguar, fast as a ball. K is for kangaroo, hopping high. L is for lion, with a mighty cry. M is for monkey, swinging through trees. N is for newt, moving with ease. O is for owl, awake at night. P is for penguin, dressed in white. Q is for quail, hiding in grass. R is for rabbit, quick to dash. S is for snake, slithering slow. T is for tiger, with stripes in a row. U is for unicorn, a magical friend. V is for vulture, with wings that bend. W is for whale, big and blue. X is for x-ray fish, shining through. Y is for yak, with woolly hair. Z is for zebra, with stripes to wear.